welcome to Travel NFX. The world is a book, and those who don't travel read only one page. So make traveling a hobby. We give you information about wonderful cities, beautiful beaches, long and memorable road trips, best honeymoon destinations, best adventure camps, and best hotels to spend time. Pack your bags to travel new places, meet new people, and enjoy best trips. Travel makes one modest. You see what a tiny space you occupy in the world. One town that deserves to be visited over and over again is definitely Singapore. The city is changing so fast that it looks totally like a different place every 4 years. In other words, even if you visited Singapore 4 or 5 years ago, there is a good reason for you to come back and experience it all over again. Singapore is an amazing city. It has a great location, it has a lot to offer, and to top it all, it is one of the most beautiful places on the planet. Even flying there is a unique experience, since Singapore Changi Airport has been recognized as the best one in the world. Truth be told, there are many reasons to visit this town, but for me, there are only these 5 reasons why I should go there. We bring you 5 reasons to visit Singapore. Number 1. Great nightlife. Much like in other major cities, nightlife in Singapore is situated in the city center. If you are interested in having a good time, then Lion City has a lot to offer. For those who love to dance all night long, there is a club called Zouk. And if you're lucky, you'll be able to witness the performance of some of the best DJs like David Guetta or the Chemical Brothers. In case you're interested in a place with a good view, then you'll be happy to know there are a lot of rooftop bars in Singapore. So make sure you visit them. Also, if you enjoy being close to the sea, Marina Bay Sands and Clark Quay are locations you definitely must visit. Number 2. Amazing places to eat. For those who love to have special meals and who love to try as many different cuisines as possible, Singapore will fulfill your wishes. Inside Lion City, a true gastronomic adventure awaits. For a copious Italian food buffet, you should visit Basilico. For those who prefer Asian food, Lime is the restaurant you want to visit. And in the event you want Japanese cuisine, pay a visit to a restaurant called Ikoei. Of course, if you're not sure what you want exactly, Carousel is the place for you. It has French, Japanese, Asian, and all other kinds of meals. So just pick the one you find most alluring. Number 3. A lot of different sports. If you are an athletic person and if you love to train, then Singapore will be a dream come true. Anything you want to take up can be found. There's football, basketball, rugby, swimming, cricket, badminton, and cycling. You can also participate in various popular water sports like sailing, scuba diving, water skiing, or kayaking. You can also try something new and trending like stand-up paddleboarding, another activity that is really good for health. Since it is such a big and rich city, a lot of major events take place there. Formula 1, for example. Therefore, if you love watching races, this will be real heaven on earth for you. Number 4. Inspiring green space. This town is an absolute paragon when it comes to eco attractions. There are botanic gardens, gardens by the bay, jungles of Pulau Ubin, and of course Singapore's zoo. Anyone who is a flora and fauna enthusiast will be pretty hyped to visit all of these amazing places. In other words, if you truly want to go green, go to Singapore. Number 5. Epic hotels. Lastly, in the event that you want to have a luxurious stay in hotels with cutting-edge interior design, Singapore will live up to your expectations. You can stay at Sofitel So Singapore or at a hotel called Wang's. Both of these have received very positive customer feedback, and they both have incredible service. Another good place is Hotel Gen Orchard Gateway. It's right next to the metro station and only 4 kilometers away from the Botanic Gardens in Marina Bay. I hope you will go and visit this epic city, fly their amazing airlines, and have a great stay in their hotels. Make sure you experience the nightlife of Lion City and try all the delicious food in their restaurants. Visit the monuments and the galleries and try out different spots, and it is truly an uplifting place, so don't miss out. So friends, if you're excited to go to Singapore, do like the video and share with all your friends, family, and especially your spouse. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. More such videos are going to come your way.